It's a beautiful day, and today let's look at how you can do copy trading on Bybit. So there are a lot of opportunities that you can use to earn. You can trade, you can hodl, but copy trading is another way. Copy trading simply means that you are following someone, an experienced trader, to just trade for you. And you can do that on Bybit and on different platforms. So if you don't, this is Bybit, this is what we are going to use. If you are using your desktop, it looks like this, and your phone too is going to look a little bit different. But let's see. If you don't have an account, you can create an account and just explore. So if you create an account, make sure that you verify yourself so that your account can be protected and you'll be able to do more. So let's go straight and talk about the copy trading. So once you come, explore, just explore. Use your mouse, hover around and see. You see different things that you can learn, right? But with copy trading, you can just go to tools. You see copy trading here. And there are different type of copy trading now. We have copy trading pro, we have copy trading gold and FX. So now they've even introduced forex trading, copy trading. So if you want to do forex, you want to copy trade. But let's explore the crypto scene and see. So the system is like this. So once you key in, they will give you recommendations about top new talents and people who are creating opportunities there. So offered, you see that 9 followers, 44 followers. So let's explore more and let's see. So if you come here, there are different traders that you get to see. They say leaderboard, all traders. So first, you can just go to all traders and see the ones performing well. You can also do master rank to see, right? But just go onto the leaderboard in top intraday traders and let's pick one. So we're just going to explore this person and I will use that to tell you one or two things that you need to consider. So imagine we want to pick this person to trade for us. So this person already has 92 followers. Trading days is 9. Stability index is 3.0. And 7-day view, 2,000. The person currently has 2 slots available. Assets under management is 21 million. Total assets 266.64. Profit sharing 10%. So that is the stats for Shark Tank Flash. So once you come down here, you see return on investment is 244%. Master's P&L is 330.41. Win rate is 100%. Followers P&L is 5,000. And average P&L is 3.84 per trade. So he has won 86 trades. Profit to sell weekly trades 86. Average holding time. So this is like a day trader, 32 minutes. That's how long he holds his trades. So you can see the profits and some of the things he has made for himself. So you can just look at that. But once you come here, you look at the statistics and also trades. You look at the trades, statistics of the trades. Normally, this interests me. It tells you that this person has traded with this coin a lot, Jupe USDT and Ena USDT. So these are the top 2 he's been trading with. And you can also just copy that and go and trade. But that's not the right way to copy the copy traders. So here, if he's having trades going on, you can get to see them. So these are some of the trades that he has gone into. Trump USDT, it's made 4.6%. Trump USDT short. This guy is genius. He's using Trump USDT to make a lot of money now. So you see all his trades now are just Trump USDT, 10x. But if you officially want to copy him, so here you can equally copy some of the things, go and use them, the trading pairs. But if you want to copy, just go here, click copy. It tells you how much minimum that you are supposed to copy with. So once you just deposit, like if you have $100 in your account, you deposit 100, you should be able to like just put that and you move on. But no, we don't want to do copy trade. We don't want to copy trade. Some require 1,000, some require 500 USD. But once you just pick. But one thing I want you to know is that this is a good opportunity for you to learn how to make money. But this is not financial advice though. But what I want you to know is that always go for this person. Yes, is good, but the trading days is 9. He's not having any experience. It's just like you trying to trade. He may make 2-3 wins in a row consistently. Then he's going to dip and lose a lot of money. So please always go for people who have like high experience. So let's explore other ones and see. Let's explore other ones and see whether we can get someone who has a lot of trading days. This person to 5 days. No. So please be mindful of the people who are just having 5 or 2 days trading. This person has made some gains, a lot of gains. So 31 days. Okay, not bad. I would advise you that always go for people of 30 days and above. 30 days and above. So this person is breaking the internet of his statistics, return on investment. So always check. This is 30 days. This is the 30 days. So 7 days, 60 and 90 days, 734. So this person has some traction that you look at. So let's look at the trades. Trading pairs is using SUI USDT. This person has found a gold mine here using SUI USDT. So let me write it down. SUI USDT. So you see, trading pairs are also important, and his 40.41% of his trades is like that one. Then Doge, 1,000 Pepper USDT, 28.57, and also the other one is Doge, 31 point whatever. So look at, you can see tradings, open trades. These are open trades that he has currently going on. SUI USDT long 50 cross 50%, and let me just go and enter this trade. Doge USDT short, Doge USDT cross 20x. So these are all trades that he's in, and once you go here, we should see the trades that this person is in, and he's currently trailing. Look at how much he's trailing, but he's going to win some of them. Most of them he's going to win. He's going to win most of them. So that is what you need to do. So also just sign up, get to the copy trading explore, but make sure you get someone with experience, 30 days and above, so that you use that. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. So if you want to copy, just click on copy. Let's see. Minimum $100. So this person, you can start with him also because it's $100. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Like, share. Also, if you want to, there's a link in the description below. Sign up to my free trading course. Also sign up to Bybit. You can also reach out to me for a one-on-one coaching. Thank you very much. I believe in you.